Good morning, students. Welcome to the software engineering course under Markout. This course will help you understand key concepts and clear your doubts regarding this subject. Stay engaged as we will be covering essential topics step by step. We will also bring another part soon to deepen your understanding. Let's begin.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we will discuss a very important topic in software development, the concept of tailored SDLC models. In a world where software projects vary in complexity, size, and requirements, a one-size-fits-all approach does not work. Many traditional software development lifecycle (SDLC) models, such as waterfall, spiral, agile, and V-model, offer structured methodologies. However, not every project fits neatly into these predefined models. Instead, teams must take a flexible approach, picking an SDLC model that closely aligns with their project needs and modifying it accordingly. Let's explore why tailored SDLC models are necessary, how to modify existing SDLC models, and the key factors teams must consider when customizing their approach. Why one SDLC model does not fit all projects. Each software project comes with unique challenges. Checkmark: some projects prioritize speed over structure, requiring agile or RAD models. Checkmark: others demand high reliability and testing rigor, making V-model or waterfall more suitable. Checkmark: some involve evolving requirements, necessitating an iterative approach like spiral or agile. Given this diversity, teams cannot blindly follow a single SDLC model. Instead, they must analyze the project's specific requirements, risks, and constraints to determine the best approach. A rigid SDLC model can lead to prohibited delayed deliveries due to excessive planning, prohibited missed business opportunities because of slow adaptation, prohibited project failure due to lack of flexibility. To maximize efficiency, teams should start with a base model and tailor it to their needs. How to customize SDLC models. Keycap 1: if no existing model fits, modify the closest one. If your project does not align with any standard SDLC model, pick the one that comes closest and adapt it. For example, if Agile is too flexible but Waterfall is too rigid, consider hybrid models like Agile Waterfall. Keycap: to consider risk management with spiral model adjustments. The spiral model is great for high-risk projects, but using the full spiral methodology can be too complex and expensive. Instead of following all spiral phases, teams can start with spiral for risk analysis, and then transition into agile or incremental models to simplify development. Keycap 3: combining incremental model with V-shaped model for reliability. If a project needs continuous delivery, incremental model, but also demands strict reliability checks, V-model, teams can combine both. Example: after every incremental release, conduct thorough validation testing before moving to the next phase. Keycap 4: choosing the right model for each team and project. Every development team must assess project scope, timeline, and risk factors before choosing an SDLC model. Key questions to ask: how much flexibility does the project require? What are the key risks involved? How frequently will requirements change? Is fast delivery or software stability more important? By answering these questions, teams can craft a tailored SDLC approach that ensures success. Key takeaways. Checkmark: there is no universal SDLC model that fits all projects. Checkmark: teams must evaluate project needs and adapt SDLC models accordingly. Check mark a hybrid approach, combining different SDLC models, can maximize efficiency and quality. Check mark risk management, iterative development and validation testing should be integrated into the process. Final thoughts. In today's dynamic software landscape, customization is the key to successful software development. By understanding project constraints and adapting SDLC models accordingly, teams can enhance productivity, mitigate risks, and ensure successful project completion.